what's up? It's ChainsawJenna and welcome to November's Carving of the Month.
This carving was brought to you by PA Great Outdoors Visitors Bureau.
So, I don't got a log, so we need to go out back and get a log. So we got the 500i. Let's get the skid loader and go get a log. This ride is bumpy. Okay, so the carving of the month. If you didn't already see in the thumbnail, I'm going to try to carve a turkey. And I'm going to do a little bit more of a cartoon character turkey, so this should be a lot of fun. But we're going out back to get the log, and I'm just like sitting on the grapple, and it's not very comfortable. The bucket's way more comfortable than the grapple. Guys, there's like no more leaves anymore, and today is pretty chilly. I'm not gonna lie. We have been pretty spoiled with the weather lately, and granted, I know like winter is coming, but I just never get used to the cold. Never get used to the cold. All right, we're here. Here's the log pile. There's the maple. Maple. There's the maple that we did with Big Log Larry.
Ah!
All right, I'm cold. I don't think I really need to cut anything. Okay, so Ben just grabbed these 3 little logs. They were laying right there. We grabbed these ones because this one here, that one right there, is like already the size that I need to make my turkey. But the other ones are for another project and for another video. So stay tuned. So I didn't even need my 500. I gotta trying to carry it all. This is turkey. Gobble gobble. Gotta put him on the hydraulic lift table. This is a little trick. Grab your dolly. Have the dolly overlapping your table here, and then just lift up your dolly. And then your log's on. So if you remember Big Log Larry, that log that I showed you, that big maple that we cut? Yeah, maple. Big Log Larry and I have a contest. The first day of the Ridgeway Rendezvous, which is a carving event in small town Ridgeway, PA, we have to get our tables completed. So it's a contest, and as you can see, I have not started mine. But Big Log Larry has. So I'm a little nervous because I haven't even started mine yet. So I have my setup over here. Gonna use my 500i, my little battery saw, my 140, my 201 of course, and the 241. So those are the saws I'm going to be using to carve my turkey. Okay, so I'm going for like a realistic slash cartoon goofy turkey. You can kind of see him, he's getting there. The bigger chunks are gone. Beak's gonna be here. I'm gonna bring this in some. Add his, what's it called, gizzard or beard here. Take this in. So I'll leave this. I believe this is the beard. Is that the beard? I'll leave that. And then like he's got like a little gizzard somewhere. I'll have it come down on this side maybe. So you need to take this down some so his feathers pop out more. I want like big wings. And then of course his feathers.
Perfect, done.
Done. Yay, thanks for watching. Okay, day 2 on the carving of the month. This is where we left off. The camera battery died and then it got dark. So we're on day 2. Did a little bit more drawing. Banjo's super excited. He wants to be over here and say hi. You can't, buddy. Not when mommy's running chainsaws. I've been shaping him and just kind of smoothing out all the feathers before I go in and feather everything up. But so far, I'm liking him. I'm liking it. Last night I did all the feathering in here after the sun went down, because the sun goes down like super early now and it's annoying because we lose like 4 hours. But anyway, got him all furred up and just doing some finishing touches. I did have a little puncture on his back feathering here, which is kind of a bummer. Might have to like putty that in or something. But I like him. I'm just sanding the feathers here, kind of make them more smooth. You can see these ones aren't sanded and they're a little rough. I just had fun with the feathering pattern, going, you know, different texture coming up this way, texture coming down, texture that just looks like a wing. But I need to do his eyes still, so I will also do that. Clean up the base, do his little feet, and then I'll burn him. I think I want to keep him pretty natural too, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Keep him more natural. I want him kind of eye level, and I don't have anything to make him eye level other than this contraption that I made. Alright guys, and here we are, the carving of the month, Mr. Turkey. Perfect and just in time for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this turkey. It was a lot of fun. My plan was not to go and paint him, but I ended up giving him a little bit of paint because I didn't like how he was turning out without paint. So, it was a turkey without a red and bluish head anyway. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
This carving was brought to you by PA Great Outdoors Visitors Bureau, home of the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous.